Hi guys, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening everybody, good evening everyone. Kararating lang namin guys, no, galing city. Yun. Nandiyan ang husband ko, napaka-busy ng darling ko. Darling, darling, hi, hi darling, love you, I love you honey, I love you.
Love you, love. Ang totoo. Totoo basa eh.
Money, money, good night anak. Please, 11 na. Off your cell phone na. Even no classes tomorrow, but please, 11 o'clock is already na, sleep na. Kahit na anak, please anak. Pinoprotektahan ko lang yung mga mata ninyo. Tingnan mo si Kuya Mikey, nagbait na. Tulog na si Kuya. Sige na. Yun lang guys.